Brew is 12 weeks old today, and we started actually officially housebreaking her yesterday. Quiet. She's learning she has to be quiet in the crate. She's learning basic manners. Now she's in her crate with some toys, and I'm going to take her out. Quiet. She has to pop calmly. Good. Put her head in here. Good girl. Good. She has to sit. Nice. No. Sit. Good. We're learning to sit before you go through the doors. No, 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 no. She's going to be all excited because she hasn't been out for a while. Sit. No. Sit. And I go first. No. Sit. Good. Okay. Okay. You follow me out. We're going to go outside and go potty. We hope. Let's go. Outside. Let's go outside. I'm going to keep telling her outside. She's learning what that means. Now she has to sit again. Sit. Good. Sit. Sit. No. Sit. Sit. Good. Okay. Hurry up. Now we're going to try to go potty. Hurry up. 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 Okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. No. Hurry up. 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 No. No. Good. Hurry up. 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 Okay, she probably doesn't have to go. So now we're going to go back in. So you can watch us do that. Off. Here we go. Here. Here. Sit. No, 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 no. We have to sit. Here. Sit. Good. Okay? Okay, let's go. Atta girl. Let's go get a drink. Atta girl. Good puppy. Good girl. Here. Do you want a drink? Good. Here. Want a drink? Do you want a drink? Good girl. Good girl. And because she didn't go potty, I'm going to put her right back in the crate. She's not going to be happy about that. But the idea is to teach her, as soon as we come out of the crate, we're going to go potty. Good girl. Okay, now we're going to go back in the house. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you can come. Good girl. Okay, sit. Good. Good job. That was nice. Good girl. Okay, kennel. Kennel. Good. Good girl. You can shut it off.